make it coolish because your hair is like brownish black and then it's like yellow and then it's like green.
I'm recording.
Thank you. Make me feel like an idiot. Alright, welcome to part 2 of our amazing video spectacular. We have made it not even halfway through it. And we're at part 2.
Because we've been chatting.
No more life stories from us. Okay, let's go to the video. Monte Cristo. That sounded weird. Alright.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
Look
Look at the awesome doll. Look at the awesome
Stop!
I'm sure you didn't even see it. What? What are you laughing about? What's so funny
I don't know.
about this? I want to get in the blanket. I'm cold.
Stop delaying the video.
Well, I'm
Bitch.
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Does this look familiar? It's a long story, folks. Why is there a light on the
Oh.
Stupid necklace freaked me out.
I'm sorry.
Do you want a blanket?
Yes!
Yes. Okay, demanding much. Take some.
Remember.
Huh? What? What are you saying? Sorry, people, for weird camera angles.
I already got some.
Huh?
I already got some.
Okay, why are you so special? Alright, yay. This is
Because I'm
better.
special ed.
You're special ed? I thought I was special ed.
No.
Special ed. You're my best friend. I like you.
I'm gonna choke.
Pause the video.
No!
Feel free to spit out the food. I think you did. I think don't tell your mouth. It's okay. It's okay. You're about to see Danny's death on camera. Don't worry, if you start choking, I'll do the Heimlich maneuver.
Ziegel.
No.
It says German. Heimlich. Heimlich. Okay, anyway.
Alright, no more eating for you.
Pizza makes me high. I'm scared.
That's kind of freaky. Well, how can people actually... How can you do that? How do you have that, like...
Shut up. I want a toy. And I'm not kidding either. I know, I've seen it before, dude.
What is that? Her, like, something picking her...
It's your spirit, I think.
Like, she's picking something up?
I stopped talking, it makes me think, and it makes me feel even more scared.
Ah!
Ah!
Look at that, it's like a whole body.
Seriously, don't. Please.
I'm sorry, talking always makes
Let's
me
hold
feel
hands.
better.
You can talk.
Is it growing?
You can talk if you want.
Well, this is a response video almost, like... Is it walking on its hands?
No. This is where it gets freaky, I think. Can I have a pillow, please? Pause the video.
You just had to pause it on that thing. Here, and hug Sana and Maka. What do you want?
Which one do you... Ew. I don't want that one.
Which one do you
Which
want?
one do you want?
Which one do you want?
I want that one. I already got that.
You get
I wonder how gay we look. I mean, not gay.
Okay, that's offensive. We're supposed to be friendly to every audience.
Gomennasai.
It's playing. It's looking at its body. people aren't even budging at it. What's your machine? Two? This is where it gets really creepy. It gets creepy. She has two people in her? What? I think I'm shaking right now.
I've seen this before.
Real.
No, it's not real. I don't think.
So much movie stuff. This is. I don't know how. Oh well. Her head exploded.
I love how you're just like. It's like it. I told you. And now it's not scary anymore. Hallelujah.
God, now I have like weird feelings.
But yeah.
Whoa, that's like really. Oh my God. Blah.
I told you it was creepy.
We're gonna record for 7 minutes again. How is that 7 minutes?
Because we probably talked for like 3 before. I love how we were just like.
I'm looking a pink pillow. What's wrong with
Who
me?
cares?
That thing was. Don't get too close.
Jerk.
Okay, do it again, Sonic. Give me away. Just touch your foot.
Okay, wait. I want to watch the new one. See if I want to swim.
I want to watch another Japanese horror one. I don't like the ghost stories.
Why?
The horror ones actually kind of scared me.
But you
Wait, so go back. I want to see what that black... Was her face like blacked out? Or did she have a face?
When?
Just like...
When?
Just play from there.
Here?
Because I want to see whenever her, like, spirit forms.
Like in, like, physical?
Yeah. Look, that's just sick. I don't know if you're lost it in. You're still watching it. It did have a face.
Yeah, they both have the same face.
Yeah, it's totally full. Nobody's head can bust like that. Now I feel like weird in my head. I don't think my head's gonna kill your life.
Damn it!
Peace.